March 3rd will be remembered for destroying entire communities, leveling schools, and adding chaos to the upcoming struggle with the COVID-19 pandemic. Tonight, News 2's Valencia Wicker is live in Wilson County, where beams of light will shine to remember the lives lost and those affected by the deadly tornado outbreak. And Valencia joins us live tonight.
Yeah, that's exactly right. In fact, we are starting to see elements of tonight's candlelight vigil make their way here. In fact, just a few moments ago, we saw a large bouquet of flowers were just delivered here to the clock tower on Mount Juliet Road. It goes to show just how reverent tonight's ceremony will be. Now, we have been able to take a look at the program for tonight. It will include speeches from public officials, a presentation from the Honor Guard, musical performances, prayer, and a message of hope and recovery. All of this to honor the lives of 3 people who were killed right here in Mount Juliet area. Those 2 women and 1 man who lost their lives in that tornado on March 3rd of just last year. Now the ceremony is set to begin at 5:45. Of course, we will have full coverage tonight at 6 and 10 o'clock p.m. For now in Mount Juliet, Valencia Wicker, News 2.